Hey, welcome back. We are back. We got the lip on and the headlight under crazy moisture plastic stuff, which I painted blue. They're like exactly this kind of blue I noticed, and they are not the correct blue that's on the BTCC kit, unfortunately. But I think it's gonna match like the rear color of the sticker, the decals. There was a thing I mentioned in the last video that surface on the paint may be a bit rough or uneven. Sorry, or uneven. But that will be checked now. So, but I'm a little bit worried about that. So I'm hoping that won't be a problem. But now the fun bit starts, I think, and that's getting the decals on. And also I need to do an exhaust. So let's bring out the decals. So this is actually the first time for me seeing this. Imagine it being wrong, because I ordered it like 2 years ago. A lot of blue. This was the blue I was talking about, which is quite good. And here we have the number square. I'm so excited about this. Yeah, and this is the yellow. This is gonna be hard, man. It's gonna be a puzzle. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it right here, and I'm gonna clean the floor and get the car down and set it all, like set it out on each side. So here's where we're at. Separated all the pieces and looked them through, and like there and there on the roof. But I'm gonna start on the hood, the bonnet, like see how it's getting on there. So let's start on that, and then let's see, work our way around. It's a lot of it's a puzzle, that's for sure. a little bit of a break in the time-lapse marathon. We're pretty much done. Just gonna do some clear on the here on the front and the rears, and then I think we're kind of done. There's obviously a lot of places I need to touch up. Man, it's been I wished that that I had like another set of the decals, or like a third one side that you can just practice on, because this was the first time for me doing like this kind of the wrapping style, like stickers and decals. Obviously I've done that before, but like the whole the color pieces, a full section, that was the first time for me doing that. So it's been a challenge, or I've been learning. So the first side I did, this side, was it has a lot of imperfections, fails, and like some bubbles and creases that I've kind of saved up or touched up now. But you can see the difference on the other side, which I did the other side, that was the last side. It went so much better. So there's gonna be a difference on each side. So it feels good to have tried it, and maybe we can do other stuff in the future that involves wrapping. I'm looking forward to learn more about that. But yeah, now we are just gonna go and continue with clearing these sections. Really looking forward to seeing the whole car done. Now when I'm done with this, I can take the finishing piece of the last piece of the yellow stripe here, that this is done. And like that, we are pretty much done, I think. And this was like the last yellow piece, and this was the blue I painted with the done with the clear, and it doesn't match, I know, but hey, this was just a random touch-up paint color which I got. As I mentioned, this side, the first side, not that it has a lot of flaws, but the other side was really good. And also these the name decals, these ones, this is my name or initials, like this is David K and Turnqvist, and this is my wife, M, for Martina, obviously the same last name. I think that's a nice touch, because this is actually her car, so from the beginning. So yeah, and it's the same on the other side. So yeah, here we have the rear turned out like that, and I got the TVR decal, supposed to be, I think, where the number plate is, but I think that looks okay. It looks good. So I'm gonna try and get some shots of the car up on the lift here. In the next video I will show it outside. And also then we have the wheels soon. And I was planning to do the exhaust in this video, but I think I will leave that to the next one, because I feel like I want to part stuff up. Like, I think that will be better. I'm so stoked because this is it's been a dream. Yeah, you can call it. It's been a dream for me to have this livery and this Decal-Kit on a 850. So that's very nice. I like it a lot. And also there was one decal that was missing down there, and there's supposed to be here mobile phones in blue. That wasn't in my package, so maybe they don't include it, but it's on the picture. But or it's just they just forgot it. And it's like, as I said before, like I think it's 2 years almost that since I ordered. 1 year, well, doesn't matter, it's a long time since I ordered it. And there's another thing, there's gonna be a white like sun strip with the blue Volvo logo on the windshield, and I will wait to put that on until after the inspection, because they can get a little bit cranky about it's being too low. So I don't want to put that on and have to take it off like in some weeks, so that will be really annoying. And yeah, I hope to see you again on the next video, where we continue and making the exhaust and getting the wheels on, and hopefully getting it to inspection. Hopefully it passes. So yeah, cheers and take care.